So I'm going to show you an easy strategy right now that can help you to make a lot of money online. Very quick to do. It's not something that takes a lot of time. This is absolutely quick and you can make a lot of money if you do this every day. Now, this is not something that you get like big amounts of money right away, but it's something that if you do it every single day, you can make maybe like $100 every day. So it's something that I'm going to show you where you can be making quick money every single day. And it's really awesome because I'm the type of person that needs like quick money every single day. I'm not looking for that big amount of money every day. I'm looking for something that I can actually do every single day and actually make some quick money. So this is why I want to show this method to you. If you're interested in that, make sure to watch the video all the way to the end right now. Don't skip through the video because every step is important. Now, you can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. I do it on my computer because I think it's better, but it's all up to you. And it's available worldwide, so wherever you are from, it doesn't really matter. If you're in Africa or Australia or Asia, Europe, America, South America, we can actually all get access to this opportunity. So just make sure you watch the video carefully. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment them down below in the comment section. Before I show you this awesome strategy, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's free to subscribe. You don't pay any money to subscribe, so don't worry about that. So just subscribe and click on the notification bell so that every time I have a new video, you will get a notification. So there's actually a website that is called paytoreademail.com. Now, I'm going to show you what it's all about. It's very cool, and trust me, you're going to love it. So what you actually need to do is you need to sign up, which is absolutely free. Just put in your first name, your email address, your password, confirm your password. Just make sure you tick whether you're a male or a female. So the sign up procedure is absolutely free. You don't pay anything. So just click on sign up. Then you should receive a confirmation email to your email address. So it will look like this. So you want to click on that just to activate your account. So once you've activated your account, you're going to come over here and it's going to show you that you have activated your account. Now, for those of you who want a $3 bonus just for signing up, you'll get that because every time you sign up for a free account, they give you a bonus of $3 for free so that you can do whatever you want to do with that. Now, there are different things that you can do over here. You can get paid to read emails and you can do some interesting surveys that are really cool and easy to do. So let's take, for example, the surveys. Now, I know you've heard about surveys and maybe you're sick and tired of hearing about surveys and what, but these actually pay. The reason they actually pay and the proof that they actually pay is that they're not going to pay you so much money for doing a survey. It's 50 cents per survey. But trust me, if you do 10 surveys per day, I mean, it's just an extra little bonus that you're doing and you're actually making some reasonable money. I feel it's pretty cool. For example, in this category, you can do as many surveys as you want throughout the day. So for example, if you do 20 surveys, that is like $10 for basically doing nothing. The questions are very simple. They just ask you like, hey, what is your age? What sports do you like? What kind of transport do you like? So different questions that are just regular day-to-day questions that, you know, it's nothing really complicated. And every time you complete a survey over here, your cash is increased. Now, the sign that this is actually working is that when I tried it, I realized that, the reason it's working and the proof that it's going to work is that they're not telling you that they're going to pay you $10 per survey. They're not telling you that they're going to pay you $15 per survey. No. It ranges between 35 cents and $1 per survey, which, okay, you might say, it's not really much, but trust me, the surveys are so easy to do. And if you can do maybe 100 surveys, that is like, you can get the possibility of making $50 in a day or if you're lucky, $100. I've never seen this go to $1 for a survey. The maximum I've seen it go to is 50 cents. But as you see over here, they say it can get to $1. So if I'm lucky, maybe I'll get a time where I can do a survey for $1. But I've just created this for you so you can just have a look at how it actually works and what it's all about. So it's something that is really, really easy to do. Just answer some questions and make some money. Now, if you're interested in that, make sure to like this video right now and don't forget to subscribe. So you can also get paid to read emails, where you click on paid to read emails, which is basically, it's just a very straightforward procedure. They don't pay you much as well, but trust me, if you do this often the way I do it, you actually realize that it's so easy. All you do is they're going to send you an email to your inbox, and all you want to do is click on the email and click on the link. Basically, the link will take you to a certain website, and you're going to get maybe 50 cents or $1 for actually clicking on that link. Now, when you click on that link, all you want to do is stay on there for 30 seconds. And when you're on there for 30 seconds, you get your money added over here. You don't have to sign up or you don't have to do anything. They just want you to click on it and make some money for yourself. I really love this. It's absolutely cool. And yeah, now you must understand one very important thing that I need to show you immediately. Now, when you completing your profile, there's going to get to a section. Let me show you. When you click on my account and you click on your profile over here, you need to complete some details. Now, there's a section that says phone number. There's a section that says PayPal email. Now, PayPal email is the email at which you're going to receive your money with. So if you don't know what PayPal is, you need to know what that is, because that is what you're going to need to actually receive your money. There's something called PayPal. For those of you who don't know it, for those of you who do know it, glory be to you. All the best, because you're going to get your money right now. But if you don't have a PayPal account, you need to get that right now. Go on to paypal.com. When you're on paypal.com, what you want to do is you want to click on sign up for free. It's absolutely free. When you click on that, you're going to get over here. You want to make sure you put in your email address, your mobile number, your first name, last name, and then put in a password. And then it's just very simple as that. Now, as you can see, they're accepting people from all over the world. Africa, there's so many different countries that you can actually choose from. So it's all up to you. You can decide to choose whichever country satisfies you based on where you're coming from. In America, all the countries basically are accepted now, as I can see. If you're in Asia as well, so many countries available. If you're in Europe, as you can see, everything is available over here. So you just want to make sure that you search for your country wherever you are from. Make sure you click on your country so that you can create your account. Now, very important, this email that you put over here, the email that you use to sign up for your PayPal account, this email is the email you want to put over here where it says PayPal email. Very, very important. If you put a different email over here, you're not going to get your money, because they don't really even know who that is. You need to make sure that the email you use to sign up over here for your PayPal account is the email that you put over here. This is highly, highly, highly important. So if you have any questions, comment your questions down below. So there's also something else that you can do on this website. Very, very cool. You want to go on to, let me show you. There's a place where you can refer friends. So when you come over here, you click refer friends. So it will take you over here, and it's going to explain to you that you can earn cash for referring your friends. So basically, if you refer your friends or you refer anybody, you'll be credited 15% of their earnings, which means that every time they complete a survey or they complete a paid email task, you get 15% of that. Now this is absolutely good, because if you refer maybe 10 people, you can get reasonable amounts of money, because if they are active on here, trust me, you're also going to be getting extra money for doing nothing. Even whilst you're sleeping, you'll be getting extra money, which is absolutely awesome. So this method, I really enjoy it because it's absolutely easy to do. So it's up to you what you want to do. Just focus on the paid emails and the surveys. So the paid emails, if you don't want to use your actual email address for that, what you can do is you can decide to create a new account. Maybe you wanna try on Yahoo. You want to create a new account on Yahoo. So all you just want to do is go onto yahoo.com and create an account, or you can just create another account with Gmail. It's all up to you. Just decide to create a new account specifically for this, and you can be getting a lot of money. So I hope it makes sense to you. If you do have any questions, any further questions that you need answers to, make sure that you comment them down below in the comments section. I'll make sure that I find a way to reply, or anybody who has the answer for you can reply in the comment section as well. And subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't already, and like the video. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that's about it. As you can see over here, the top paid surveys, 40 cents. Here's one, that's $1. There's actually one for $1, 50 cents, 50 cents. So trust me, you're getting paid $1 or 50 cents or 40 cents for answering some few questions. I mean, like, it's actually a privilege, because it's basically you not doing anything. No matter the answers you give on the surveys, there's nothing like a right or a wrong answer, which is really cool, because like it doesn't matter. You can just go and click anything and you'll still get your money, because it's not about the answers being correct. It's about you just finishing the survey. Imagine that. So you must understand why they're going to pay you, and you must be grateful for the fact that there's such an opportunity there. This is for those people who just want that quick money every day. If you're looking for a method to make like $500 a day, or $600 a day, $700 a day, or even $1,000 a day, make sure to check out my other videos. I have videos that can help you to do that, and they're very easy to do as well. Not as easy as this, but also basically as easy if you put your mind to it. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Like the video, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Cheers.